to $1.83. A hold above entry could allow for potential upward progression toward targets. Itonic Holdings Ltd. provides treatment software for cancer therapy. The stock has caught fire today with an impressive 373 times its average volume. Despite a 23.9% decline over the past year, the RSI at 65 shows it nearing overbought levels. Priced currently at 0.43 cents, it remains well below the planned entry of $1.12, positioning profit target 1 at $1.68, reflecting a significant potential of 289.8%, with profit target 2 at $2.24, signaling 419.7% upside. The expected price range for the coming month is between 0.16 cents and 71 cents. If it can hold above its entry level, it may facilitate a build-up toward targets. Infobird Co. Ltd. operates in the technology sector, developing cloud-based customer engagement services. The market cap is $9.50 million. Today, shares moved up 3.57%, driven by 12 times the average volume, suggesting strong interest. Over the past year, Infobird has gained 20.2%, with an RSI of 71, indicating a slightly overbought condition. The current price is $1.16, below the planned entry point of $1.32, with profit target 1 at $1.98 and profit target 2 at $2.64. The setup looks interesting, and a level to watch is that $1.32 entry. In the next month, expect price volatility between 80 cents and $1.52. A constructive scenario would occur if the stock holds the current level and builds momentum towards the targets. Duluth Holdings Inc. is in the consumer cyclical sector, offering outdoor and casual wear with a market cap of $172.15 million. Today, the stock is down 3%, but the volume is 26 times average, reflecting significant trader interest. The stock shows a 103.1% performance over the past year, with an RSI of 73, suggesting it may be overbought. Currently priced at $4.53, above the planned entry of $4.165, with profit target 1 at $6.25 and profit target 2 at $8.33. Watch for this level to maintain its upward momentum. Expected price in the coming month could range from $3.22 to $5.84, and if it consolidates above entry, it could strengthen further towards the targets. Defiance Daily Target 2x Short is an actively managed ETF designed to achieve 2x the inverse daily change of its underlying security. Today, the price increased by 2.93% on 22 times the average volume, indicating strong speculative interest. Its one-year performance shows a significant decline of 216%. The RSI is currently at 39, indicating it might be oversold. Trading at $5.98, above the planned entry of $5.46, with profit target 1 at $8.19 and profit target 2 at $10.92. A key level to watch would be the entry point. Expect price fluctuations between $2.27 and $9.69 in the next month. If it continues to gain, it could create a better setup towards the profit targets. Trader 2x Short SNTG Daily ETF aims to provide 2 times inverse leveraged exposure. Today, it rose by 0.86% on 26 times average volume, reflecting increased speculation. Over the past year, it achieved a notable 191% performance, with an RSI at 30, indicating it is currently oversold. The price sits at $5.88, below the planned entry of $6.8788, with profit target 1 at $10.32 and profit target 2 at $13.76. Keep an eye on the entry level, as it could provide support. The next month may see a price range from $2.65 to $9.11, and if it reverses trend and holds above entry, it could align towards bullish momentum. Trader 2x Short IREN Daily ETF seeks to replicate twice the inverse of IREN's performance. The price rose 9.4% today, on 29 times the usual volume, hinting at strong activity. It has an impressive one-year performance of 217%, with an RSI of 44, indicating a neutral position. Currently priced at $6.98, just above the planned entry of $6.93, with profit target 1 at $10.40 and profit target 2 at $13.86. Watch the entry level for potential support. Expected price range over the next month is between $2.58 and $11.38. Creating a solid base above this entry could indicate further bullish action. FG Merger 2 Corp. is a newly incorporated company focusing on financial services, with trading today reflecting heavy activity, 121 times the average volume. Currently, the price is stable at 98 cents, slightly above the planned entry of 92 cents. Profit target 1 stands at $1.38 and profit target 2 at $1.84. It's essential to monitor the entry level. Expected pricing might fluctuate, but remain favorable due to current trading momentum. If it consolidates above the entry, we could see a progression towards the targets. Calci Medica Inc. is engaged in developing clinical-stage biopharmaceuticals, focusing on inflammatory and immunologic processes. With a market cap of $14.72 million, the stock boosted by 2.42% today, on a staggering 373 times the average volume. It has significantly declined 78.9% over the last year, with an RSI of 67, indicating a slightly overbought condition. The current price is at 93 cents, below the planned entry of $1.02, with profit target 1 at $1.53 and profit target 2 at $2.04. A key level to watch is the entry. Expected range for the next month is between 48 cents and $1.38. If it can hold up and build strength, we could see a positive move towards its targets. Vivos Therapeutics Inc., a healthcare services company specializing in non-invasive dental treatments, currently trades at 64 cents after a drop of 8.71%. Sharply, today experienced 34,706 times its average volume, highlighting substantial market interest. It has garnered a 96% performance over the year, accompanying an RSI of 54, indicating a neutral condition. The price is below the planned entry of $0.81, with profit target 1 at $1.22 and profit target 2 at $1.62. Key level to keep an eye on would be that entry. The expected price volatility for the next month is forecasted between 0.46 and 0.82 cents. If it consolidates above the entry level, it could provide an opportunity to gain momentum towards its targets. AIHS Inc. operates in the financial services sector, specializing in the distribution of insurance products in China. Today, the stock saw a notable 5.44% increase on 61 times average volume, indicating unusual market interest. Its performance over the last year shows a decline of 13.1%, with an RSI of 59, suggesting a neutral position. Currently priced at $2.52, the planned entry is at $3.04, meaning it's sitting about 17% below this key support. Watch for potential movement towards profit target 1 at $4.56, roughly 81% away, and profit target 2 at $6.08, about 141% higher. Expectations indicate a price range of $1.71 to $3.33 over the next month, and $0 to $5.34 in a year. The long-term view could be constructive if it holds above the entry level. Sleep Number Corporation, part of the consumer cyclical sector, designs and sells sleep solutions in the U.S. Today, shares jumped 27.59%, with 15 times the average volume, reflecting strong momentum. However, over the past year, the stock is down a staggering 90.2%, with an RSI of 31, indicating an oversold condition. Currently priced at 74 cents, it's slightly below the planned entry of 74.62. The next levels to watch are profit target 1 at $1.1193, approximately 51% higher, and profit target 2 at $1.4924, about 101% gain potential. Expectations for the forthcoming month range from 29 cents to $1.19, and a year from $0 to $2.29. Long-term, watch for recovery signs to sustain momentum. Veru Inc., a biotechnology firm under the healthcare sector, focuses on developing treatments for various diseases. Today's move of negative 4.84% amidst 526 times average volume, signals significant investor activity. Over the past year, performance has improved by 11.3%, and with an RSI of 60, it's nearing overbought territory. With the stock at $2.95 and a planned entry at $4.82, it's currently around 39% off the entry point. Watch for potential movement toward profit target 1 at $7.23, approximately 145% higher, and profit target 2 at $9.64, about 227% away. Month-long expectations indicate a range of $1.77 to $4.13, while the annual could be $0.00 to $7.05. If it holds at entry, a constructive scenario may arise. Huachen Energy, operating in the energy sector, provides clean energy equipment solutions. With a rise of 5.47% today and 18 times average volume, the stock reflects notable market attention. Performance over the last year has decreased by 20.2%, while the RSI sits at 43, indicating a neutral stance. At $4.07, it remains below the planned entry of $5.99, placing it 32% away from that level. Profit target 1 stands at $8.98.5, representing a potential gain of 121%, while profit target 2 at $11.98 offers a 194% upside. The expected price range for 1 month is $2.89 to $5.25, with a year-long view of $0 to $8.18. Long-term, it may be constructive if it stabilizes and builds toward entry. Fox Development Holdings operates in the technology sector, focusing on electronic product sales. Today, the stock nudged up 1.49%, with 26 times average volume, indicating increased interest. Over the past year, shares have declined by 14.5%, and the RSI is currently at 58, suggesting a neutral position. Priced at $4.78, it's below the planned entry of $7.05, nearly 32% off. The next levels to watch are profit target 1 at $10.57.5, about 121% higher, and profit target 2 at $14.10, roughly 195% away. The expected 1-month price range is $2.53 to $7.03, while for the year, it's from $0 to $12.62. A cautious approach is warranted, unless the stock rebounds above entry. Lionheart Holdings, which aims to combine with other businesses, is making waves in the market today. With no price change recorded and an astonishing 564 times average volume, this amplified interest is noteworthy. Looking back, performance metrics are limited, and the RSI is at a strong 100, indicating potential overbought territory. At 15 cents, it's significantly below the planned entry of 55 cents, indicating a 73% distance. Profit target 1 is set at $0.825, suggesting a possible increase of around 446%, while profit target 2 at $1.01 implies a 629% gain. Future expectations project a monthly range of 12 cents to 18 cents and an annual range of 0.3 cents to 27 cents. A long-term effort hinges on securing stronger foundational movements. Founder Group Limited specializes in engineering and construction solutions for solar projects. Today's increase of 4.52% on about 6 times average volume indicates unusual interest. Over the past year, however, the stock has faced a massive decline of 94.6%, with an RSI of 50, suggesting a balanced state. Currently priced at $1.85, it's below the planned entry level of $3.02, sitting 39% off. Watch for movements towards profit target 1 at $4.53, approximately 145% higher, and profit target 2 at $6.04, which is around 227% away. Expected price fluctuations indicate a range of 80 cents to $2.90 for the month and $0 to $5.48 for the year. The longer-term outlook remains cautious unless it can build some strength around the entry. That's the full watch list for today. If this helped, like and subscribe for the daily run-through. These are high-risk speculative small caps. This is for education purpose, not financial advice. Always use a stop and size your risk. Trade safe.